Hello, my YouTube modeling friends out there. Boyd here with you again. Well, a little bit of a flashback today, everybody. We're taking a look at the Shuttlecraft Galileo kit that I built here a few months on the channel. I guess a few months ago, 5-6 months ago. And this is the Randy Cooper kit. I think it's either 132 or 135th scale. It's a resin garage kit that's been out there for a few years. But anyway, we did a nice buildup of this on the channel. Showed you all the work we did on that. We lit up the model. It has a fully detailed interior, so we lit up the consoles and everything in there. Just give you a quick look at that again. And you can see all that going on in there. And in the back here, our engine detail and all that. So the model turned out really nice, but when we finished it up at that time, we told you we were going to come back and show you the display once we got the display base made for it. So here it is, everybody. This is the idea that Jerry and I at HDA Model Works came up with. This is a tribute to the original TV show. You can see we've got the console kind of looking like the original stuff we saw on the show, and the red and the black trim, and then the classic jelly bean type candy buttons there, backlighted, correct to the original show. And then Jerry created this beautiful little backlit placard here with some information about the shuttlecraft itself. And it sits on a deck here that looks like the deck floor of the Enterprise hangar bay. We've got some stand clear markings there and that yellow turntable design in the center, so that looks really good. The base is made out of clear acrylic that Jerry cut out with his laser system, so it's really strong and really lightweight. All I had to do is go in and paint and assemble everything, put my lighting in, and presto, we have a beautiful display base. Now if you guys remember, when I built the Galileo, I put some contact points on the bottom of these landing pads on the engines right here. The reason I did that is I didn't want to have any wires coming out on the bottom of the model, because if you can see here, the actual rear part of the nacelle doesn't touch the ground. That's how the shuttlecraft, from what I could tell in the pictures I looked at, is supposed to sit. So it'd be kind of hard to have wires going through there, and I didn't want to put a battery inside it because the top of this thing is sealed down. But to get power up in there, I decided, okay, I'll put these little contact points on the bottom of those landing pads, and then I'll do the same thing on the top of the base once I eventually build it. So that's exactly what I did here, guys. So now I can pick the model up. We lose the power, of course, but I can pick this up and move it around and show it to my friends in more detail up close or whatever. And then you can see some more detail on the top of the the landing pad itself. But then when we're done doing that, we just simply put it back down here like this, and our power comes right back on, and we've got everything lit back up again. So that worked out pretty good. I'm real happy with that. But we got this put together just in time. We're going to the big model show here in San Antonio this weekend. It's an IPMS sanctioned show, one of the bigger IPMS shows around, actually. And got a bunch of our YouTube friends and model forums friends coming in to meet us here at the show for a little get together there, and then we're going to have dinner afterward and come back and hang out at the shop. And hopefully we're going to broadcast our live model shop show this Saturday the 17th at around 8 o'clock Central Time, with a little round table discussion with our guests from the show and everything. So we're looking forward to that. Should be a lot of fun. Hope to see you guys there, and hope you'll tune in. Well, that's a wrap for this one, everybody. Thanks again to Jerry at HDA Model Works. Great job on the base. Really enjoyed working on it. It was a pleasure to build it, and it came out beautiful in the end. So we'll be doing a lot more kind of cool stuff like this as we go along. All right, everybody, that's a wrap. Hope to talk to you again soon. Thanks for all the subscribers. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you later. Take care, and happy modeling, everyone.